Hello everyone. Today is my first video with ScratchJr application. So we will start how to install the ScratchJr application in desktop or laptop. So first of all, we have to go on Google and write ScratchJr for laptop and then go to this GitHub IO option. Click on this. So mine is Windows, so I clicked on the Windows option and downloaded the exe file. When this download is done, then we will install it. After that, you just have to go to your downloads folder and run this exe and install it in your laptop. Choose one of the option and then go to the home. It will ask you the language, select language. This is the home page. So here you have to click plus. It is asking to start a project. So click on the plus sign, so you will land on your first project in ScratchJr. Okay, so when you open your first project, it will look like this. A default character they will give you and the default background. Okay, so if you want to add the character here, click on the plus sign. Okay, so these are the ready-made characters available in the ScratchJr. Okay, so let's take this astronaut. Click on it and then click on this right button, tick mark. And suppose if you want to delete this character, you want to remove the character, left click here and press the cross button so that character will be deleted. Okay, so you can get more than one character. It's up to your requirement, game requirement or your video requirement, what kind of video or play or game you want to make. Now let's come to the background. So here is the background. You can select any background. Suppose let's take a space background. Okay, here is the space background and select it and press the check mark here. So we got the background of moon. The astronaut is on the moon, and this red one is for ending or repeating. As you can see, it is ending from here, but it is connected from the left side. Okay, so yellow is for start and red is for ending. Now in start there are options: one, two, three, four options. First, let's click on it. Green. When you will click on the green this flag, then your play will start. This one, start on tap astronaut. When you will click on the astronaut while when the screen is full, then the video will start or the game will start. While bump, when this astronaut will bump to anything, then it will start. So there are so many options, four options. Message, start on orange message. Okay, so these two, the message ones are like making the sequence of the characters. Like if there are some other thing, let's say penguin. Let's take the penguin on the moon. Okay. So if there are more than one character or more than one sequence, then you have to use this message part, because these messages or the color of the messages will decide the sequence. What will come first, what will come second, and so on. Okay, we will see that. And depending on this start message, this will work. Open message or send message. This is start message and this is send message. When we will work with that, you will understand. Arrow means directions. So this is very simple to understand, the directions and their timing. If you select any of the direction, you can choose the steps you want that to work. Okay, like here I have taken this one with the 10. If you want to do with this one, what you will do, arrow key and one step down. Suppose make it 3 steps. Okay, you can write anything, but the number should be valid according to the screen. Okay, and suppose here penguin is here, and I have written this code 10 left and 3 down for penguin. Let's see. So if you want to check the individual code of the character, you just have to click on the code like this. Okay, again I will make it back and then click on the code to check how it works individually. Okay, not the complete frame. So this is individual code for penguin. Okay, so this is for the steps. Next comes the person. To delete any code or to remove any code, we just dump it here. Select it, drag it and dump it here. Okay, suppose penguin want to say anything. Hi. Okay, so this message will just show the bubble thing. How? Just click here and it comes here. You see? Again, click on it and hi. Now what is this? Let's take it this one. This is grow. The character will grow, and this one is shrink. Then two shrinks, suppose, and then this is normal. This is hide the character. This is show the character. Let's take something. This is hide. Hide. Why I am taking two hides here, hide option, so that we can observe. We will get little more time to observe the thing. Okay, so let's check it. Click on the code to run it. Let's put it like here. Here. Run the code. Hi. Again, see. And see all the codes which are running. Okay. See the highlighted code when they are running. Click. Okay. Now suppose I hide, I'll delete this part, hide button. Okay, and then see. check. You see, okay, see the size, okay. So I think you checked it and you can do practice. Let's move to another option. This one is very easy. Speaker, as you can see, so it allows anyone to make some noise. Okay, so this option allows you to record your own audio with whatever you want to add in your play or game. Okay, let's move to the next option, which is loops. It is having four options. The first one is wait. Whatever time you will tell the character to wait, it will wait, but remember the time here is in milliseconds. Okay, so the more time here you will give, the for that much milliseconds it will wait and then play again. Like here I have used 20 and it waited, the character penguin waited for 20 milliseconds. Stop. Speed option is having three kind of speeds: low, medium and high. This is loop. If you want to repeat any kind of code multiple times, then you have to put it here. But before that, suppose you if you want to keep these three blocks in the loop, then what you have to do, hold the first block and fix it here inside, then it will automatically adjust it. Okay, so that's all. And the last one is end or stop. There are two types of end. This is normal and finish, one time finish, and this is repeat forever. Whatever the code you have done till this point, it is going to repeat it. Let's try this one. Let me see what happens here. So it is repeating and repeating without any limit. So if we want to stop it, then we have to click here, the stop one, this red button. See? And the penguin is also growing every time because in this loop, what code we have written? Two times the penguin have to go, the character have to grow. Okay, so let's stop it. So this was my first video on Scratch Junior. Hope you like it. And yes, we make all type of learning videos. It can be art, it can be academics, English, maths, and now coding and painting also, craft also. So whatever is required for child's education, we are doing it. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.